At Optimus, every project is approached with a distinct, tailored strategy. With over 80 years of expertise in public address, voice alarm, and intercom solutions, we've launched our 360 experience to ensure success in every installation. From the very first contact, our technical and sales teams provide guidance and support to each of our partners, adapting to their unique needs and project requirements. We optimize each installation through acoustic studies and precise system layout, ensuring an efficient, high-performance design. With every proposal, we provide a clear, detailed plan. For complex projects, we conduct in-factory testing to ensure maximum on-site reliability. During the installation, our technicians assist with system setup and adjustments to ensure optimal performance from day one. Our partnership extends beyond installation, providing ongoing technical support, maintenance, and extended warranties to safeguard each system and continuously support every project. With Optimus, every project becomes a 360-degree experience of quality and commitment. To learn more about our Experience 360, contact us today at info@optimus.es.